The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States Geological Survey and the Federal Emergency Management Agency. An immediate evacuation order has been issued for residents within a 500-mile radius of the Yellowstone supervolcano. At approximately 3:21 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the United States Geological Survey has made a disturbing discovery about the Yellowstone supervolcano, and it reads as follows: an eruption of the Yellowstone supervolcano is imminent within the next 48 hours. Once the eruption occurs, anything within the radius of the volcano will be obliterated almost instantly. The areas will be left uninhabitable for as long as centuries. This is a very dangerous situation and should be taken seriously. All residents of the mentioned radius of the Yellowstone supervolcano are advised to evacuate immediately. When you evacuate, tie a white towel or cloth to your mailbox or door to notify your civil authorities that you have obeyed the evacuation order. Make sure you gather food, water, clothing, medical supplies, and a battery-powered radio. Please stay calm, as panicking will only make the situation worse. Please stay tuned for further updates on this dangerous situation. This is an emergency action notification requested by the White House. All EAS participants will follow activation procedures in the EAS Operating Handbook for a national-level emergency. The President of the United States, or his designated representative, will shortly deliver a message over the emergency alert system. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by. We interrupt our regular programming. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government and the United States Geological Survey. This is not test. I repeat, this is not a test. The Yellowstone caldera has erupted. A very loud detonation has been heard once the eruption occurred, and ash and magma have flung high into the atmosphere. It is expected that this event could have a chance to become global. This is a very dangerous situation for the entire United States. Ashfall is expected to spread as far as the Atlantic Ocean. Cities within the radius have been completely covered in ash, and people who have smelled the ash-faced lung failure have died. The ash will possibly cause a volcanic winter for the United States, and possibly the world. All residents of the United States are advised to seek shelter as quickly as possible. Gather all of the necessary supplies such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, and a battery-powered radio. Turn off all air conditioning system, wear a gas mask, block all cracks on to avoid ingesting the ash. The President of the United States has been moved to a classified location and will be speaking shortly. Please stay tuned for further updates on this cataclysmic situation.